Right, we're just at the entrance to Central Pier here. Pirates Bay Family Bar. Get your fresh donuts. Hot fresh donuts. I've not been down here for about 30 years. It must be. Let's hope I don't fall through. Absolutely beautiful. Could be anywhere today. You would not know. We're having the best spring I can remember. It's even better than lockdown. Lockdown was good, but it weren't this hot. It's been weeks now and there's no sign to the end of it. There's a big wheel. There used to be quite a lot of fairground rides on here. So let's see if there still is. Souvenirs and toy shop, burgers. That's if you come through the front door, you come through here. The amusement arcades.
Are we having a game of dance?
No. Loads of games to play here, darts. If you're any good at darts, get yourself down, win yourself a teddy. The Wheelhouse Cafe.
Wow!
Spin you round to the beach again. Look at that. Absolutely wonderful. Probably can't hear me for the music, but it's right. There's a kiddies ride. Central Pier, £1.25 for ticket or 35 quid for 30, 60 for 60. Cheaper than the Pleasure Beach. How fast that's going. They're old fashioned waltzers. Can't beat them, but they make me sick. What that all about? Put your money in there, win a big teddy. Oh, it's like a beach up. Proper fairground, that. The tide's just going out now. It'll soon be low tide. But hopefully when we get to the end of the pier, there'll still be some water so I can show you how clear it is at the minute. Rubber duckies! Hey! Oh, there's the bar. Not that I'm going for a drink like because I'm driving, but Romany Gypsy, Sarah Pentelengo. Basketball, knock the cans down. Telescope for dolphins through that. This is the bar here. Not a bad beer garden actually. Still got the old Victorian seats here. Look at that. You've got to save stuff like that, it's proper heritage. the pier. That's the bar in there. It's huge.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Right, we're at the end of the pier now. Look how clear that water is. It's unbelievable. People think it's only brown here in Blackpool. There's a fishing boat out there. Wish I was on that. There's a North Pier in the background. Look at all this, like, in loving memory. A few people at their favourite place. I think my granddad Fred was ashes was straight down here. But look at that. It could be absolutely anywhere. There's the mighty tower in the background and the Sea Life Centre. And I'll zoom in, I don't know if you can see. That's the Lake District there in the background. A few people having a dip. Trust me, it's bloody cold though. It may be roasting in the sun, but once you get in that sea, it's absolutely freezing. Just let you admire that view. Tell you what though, as cold as it is out there in the sea, it's nothing like the North Sea. The North Sea is absolutely Baltic. Now we'll go down the other side. It's the basketball game. Frenchies. Now, a lot of days are shut, probably because it's midweek. A few people about, right, but little kiddies, Big Dipper type right in the middle. Got a Formula One. More amusement. And we're back to the fairground again, Dodgems. There's some Dodgems in Bournemouth in Wales, and they don't have rules on them. You do whatever you want. Great. I don't know if you can hear me, so stop talking for a bit. There's a mini one of them. The kids on it. I want to play. Now we're back at the beginning. That's the arcades that go out to the front, and down here we've got a bar area. can't remember what it's called, this place. Or the gin place, or gin house, that's it. They actually have bands on here now and again. What a beer garden there with a tower in the background. Bet that's absolutely heaving at weekends. And the token inflatable bouncy castle, which isn't blown up. And that's it. We're back on the promenade. So we're back here outside Madame Tussauds. The lifeboat station there. And that's Oggy's tour of the Central Pier. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you shortly.
Like, comment, and subscribe.